Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Incognito. Today I'm going to be sharing a yummy, easy recipe, frozen yogurt bark. So you're going to need some dark chocolate pieces, some slithered almonds, you're going to need some strawberries, and you're going to need some yogurt, of course. Now I'm using Dannon Light and Fit. I love this yogurt. This is the only yogurt I can eat and I can stand. So we're going to go ahead and start chopping up these strawberries a little bit smaller. So these strawberries already came chopped in a little container from the grocery store, but feel free to get your berries full and just chop them up yourself. My channel is all about easy, quick things that you can make to make your life a little bit easier and go a little bit smoother. Now that you are finished chopping up those strawberries, go ahead and put them in the bowl. We're going to put these babies to the side so we can get started with our bark. All right, so I do have a long cookie sheet pan and a piece of parchment paper over top of my pan. Your bark will not stick to the parchment paper, so please make sure you use parchment paper on your pan. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and just pour our yogurt from the top to the bottom of your pan. All right, so go ahead and get yourself a spatula and just smooth your yogurt out evenly from every corner of your pan. Okay, now for the fun part. Get your berries and go ahead and just sprinkle them on top of your yogurt. Next up is our dark chocolate. Now, dark chocolate is a little bit healthier than milk chocolate, so don't feel bad when you are putting on this dark chocolate. Alrighty, now time for our almonds. I love me some almonds. Almonds contain a lot of healthy fats, fiber, protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. And it's good, well, it can reduce hunger and promote weight loss. So pile on those almonds, y'all. All right, now that we are done, we're going to go ahead and put our pan in the freezer for about 4 to 6 hours or until hard. Have you seen my blue motorcycle video? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? When you're finished with this video, go check it out. The weekend is here and we all want to have some fun and just enjoy life. So go get the things you need to make this blue motorcycle and have a good weekend. All right, it is done. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and just peel the parchment paper off your bark, but still leave it under your bark, or just leave it like it is and just get to chopping. Now it's time to put our bark in a container and put these babies in the freezer. Just a friendly tip, if you are not going to eat the whole container, take out what you want and put the rest back in the freezer, because it is yogurt, so it will start to eventually go back to its consistency. So if it's going to be out for a party, make sure that your guests are eating these babies quickly. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more yummy videos.